Go Celtics. PUMA has a great history over 75 years. Obviously, an iconic sportswear brand with some of the greatest athletes. We are a very serious performance brand, but we also have fun with it, and we kind of see the fun parts of sports, interacting with, other players, other community members. My name is Dashkov. I'm with PUMA, and my role is I'm the head of emerging marketing technologies. My role, basically, I look at new technologies and try to find consumer-facing applications of those technologies. We want to use the best that was out there, and NVIDIA and Google will supply that for us. We always try to find new ways to engage our consumer. I think AI has been a really great way for us to do that. So the PUMA AI Creator is a great example of that. PUMA AI Creator allows anybody to come in and co-design with the brand. Obviously, our workflow heavily used AI hypercomputer throughout the whole entire process. So really kind of going step by step is first, you're typing your prompt. There, Gemini is reading your prompt, removing any not safe for work language, any third-party IP. And now you get your image. So you get your 4 different options, and then you can project those options onto a 3D version of the kit. So we built a 3D dynamic version of the kit that you can move around. You project those 4 options onto the kit. You pick that, and then you can do your different customization layers on top of that. One of our goals was really to make it super fast, so you can do this whole thing in under 60 seconds. We used a lot of different technologies on the back end. So we used Vertex AI, Firebase, GK Autopilot with Google. And of course, we also used the powerful NVIDIA H100 GPUs. And then Gemini as our model to kind of read through all the prompts as well. There were some other solutions we were looking at, but the NVIDIA GPUs, the H100s, was the best option for us. So having, the Google Cloud infrastructure to be able to support all those users coming in, that was critical. And then having the NVIDIA GPUs, the H100s in the back end, be able to take all this load of all these different prompts coming in at the same time and being able to generate designs. Before we really brought Google and some of our other partners on board, the time it took to generate a kit was between 2 to 5 minutes. We actually got it down to 30 seconds, which is extremely quick. It's not even, you're just generating 1 per person, now it's 4. So if you have, 100,000 people in there, you're generating 400,000 designs. So again, we want to use the best that was out there, and NVIDIA supply that for us with the H100s. Well, NVIDIA is just such a massive player in this space. So we work with Google Cloud, make sure that infrastructure in the back end could support such a huge influx of users, and having their GPUs in the background, again, just give us that confidence that everything that we create is going to be the highest quality and will deliver a really great consumer experience and also be fast.